All right, folks, Friday, the 19th of May, 2023. Let's have a look at these markets. And, starting off with NASDAQ, really strong bid across equities here. Tech leading the way, I would say, but it looks like all too close to the 14,056 halves here. A little bit of a doji so far, but lovely breakout nonetheless yesterday on these markets.
ECB's President Lagarde says the ECB is determined to deliver 2% CPI target.
So yeah, looking for a pullback onto the PVAH here. Could be a bit deeper on a pullback,
Reminder, earlier
find
on,
some
ECB's
buyers and then
President
get
Lagarde said
going
the
to the
ECB
upside
aims to
here.
have
So
a sustainably high,
yeah, I
still needs to
think
have
I think
sustainably high interest rate high.
I'd actually prefer to see a pullback, yeah, to 13,757s. But these markets are really strong. You know, when they get into form like this, we could easily just tag PVAH 13,852s and then romp on for the 056s. All right, that is. We have some Christine Lagarde comments coming over the bow right now, and you're seeing a bit of a bid coming into the euro. Oil also loving a bit of this dollar weakness that we just a little bit of micro movement going on right now. SPOOs again, yeah, what were we talking about yesterday? Really, looking to get a pullback. Really looking to get a pullback from the 4152s for a long. But all we did get really was the break here above the 4175s, and then we pulled back onto that there at about 7 o'clock before romping in and following through with that breakout to the upside. So for me, it'll pull back to PVH or 4203s and then look for the 4242s further on the upside, also above 4284s. And you see some of these levels come in here. The 4242s is the high here of the 2nd of Feb this year. So do be aware of that. And then the Dow, really the Dow was making you wait for it there yesterday, driving into new lows on the session at around 5:30 before then galloping up into the highs on the close, new highs on the close, and hitting that 33,658, 59s area. For now, that CVAH just hit, so I think we can at least roll back the VWAP, probably break that, flush out some sellers, or sorry, some buyers. And actually, I like the demand area 33,487s for the longs today, and then we can continue getting on to the upside. Oil, yeah, I wouldn't be standing in front of oil here. So got some pretty bullish comments coming out, and a stronger euro right now on the back of Christine Lagarde's comments. So again, 73.80s on the upside target. I would look out for a retest on 72s here. I would look out for that in case it comes, but I think for me, a lovely little pullback onto VWAP and go would be the nice trade here today. I mean, not much else. Bonds are getting wrecked. I don't really know. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility today in the bonds, given that we have about 3 or 4 Fed speakers to come now over the rest of today. Just be aware of that, guys. Yen holding here on the PVAL. So we could see a bit of a push up on the yen, which would lead to a pullback on equities. And yeah, euro testing right now on this pretty tricky area here. I like the shorts here, especially on the euro, but you can't really argue with the context, which is broken out to the upside. So for me, that's just no trade there for now. Probably, you would like to see a little pullback, retest, and then look for the short and down. But let's see what we get. Let's see what we get out of the session. So for me, I really like the pullbacks on oil to VWAP and equities. I want to see how far they go on the pullback, if at all, before then maybe looking for a long. All right, that's it for pre-US. Take it easy.